Hello students, this is Arvina Ali, Faculty of Mount Litra, Z School, Jhansi. Children of class 3, I am going to explain your story from your English Literature Marigold book, and the story is chapter number 2 from unit 2, that is Nina and the Baby Sparrows. Children, what do you do when you have a marriage at home? Children, I feel marriage is all about enjoyment, happiness, and get together of the family. And yes, of course, about shopping. But children, in this story, the little girl, Nina, does not want to shop. And oh my god, she refuses to go to the wedding also. So children, and let's see what's bothering her, and that is why she don't want to go for the wedding. Children, the chapter name is Nina and the Baby Sparrows, written by Pratibha Nath. Children, the one who writes the story is a writer. So children, the writer of this story is Pratibha Nath. Children, there was great joy in Nina's house. Nina's aunt was getting married. Nina, her father, mother, little brother, and everyone was going to Delhi for a wedding. Everyone was happy in the house except Nina. Children, Nina was not happy, else everybody was happy in the house. Children, usually our mother takes us to the market to buy new clothes. Similarly, Nina's mother took her to the market to buy new clothes, and she said, "What color would you like?" Nina said, "I don't want any dress, mother." Now, Nina's mother said, "Salwar kameez." She moved her head, "No, I don't want anything." Then children, mother said to Nina, "What about those lovely shoes, white shoes which you saw last week?" Nina said, "No, I don't want those either." And she said, "Thank you, mother." Children, then Nina's mother was upset, but she said nothing to Nina. They went back home and had lunch. After lunch, mother came and sat down near Nina. And she said to Nina, "What is happened to you? Why did you say no to everything?" Then children, Nina said to her mother, "I don't want to go to the wedding." Now mother said, "Why?" Nina said nothing, and she had two big tears roll down her cheeks. Now children, mother put her arms around Nina and she said, "Don't cry, my pet. Why don't you tell me what's bothering?" Now again Nina started crying. More tears started rolling down her cheeks. Children, she told her problem to her mother. She said, "There is a sparrow's nest on the bookshelf in her room, and there are two baby sparrows in the nest." Then children, mother said, "Oh, I see." And children, she told her mother, "These sparrows are just beginning to get their feathers and growing up, which makes them hungry." And children, she told her mother, "All the day they cry cheep cheep and ask for the food." Now mother said, "Oh, I see." Then children, Nina's mother had tears in her eyes, and she gave her a big tight hug, and she asked her, "Is this the reason that is why you were not going to the wedding?" And then children, mother said, "There is no problem at all, children, as every problem has a solution." So Nina's mother said, "We will leave the windows open." Now children, Nina jumped with excitement and said, "Oh, can we, mother? Can we really?" she said. Then mother said, "Oh yes, we can. We'll remove all your things from the room and lock the door from outside, so the house will be perfectly safe and Mama and Papa sparrows can come and go freely in and out." Children, Nina started thinking when she would be enjoying in the wedding, the baby sparrows will get nice and fat, and she thought, indeed, this is a great idea. And she went for the wedding, and children, when she came back, there were two fat sparrows flying all over the room, and now Nina was so very happy. Now, children, this is all about the story Nina and the Baby Sparrows. Now, children, homework time. Read the chapter Nina and the Baby Sparrows from the PDF, which will be sent to you. Note for dear parents, kindly help your ward to read this chapter from the PDF, as you are the common medium between us and our dear students.